How to see first message on Messenger without scrolling. Hello everyone, this is a Hazel here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's get started. If you have a long chat on your Facebook Messenger and you want to see the first chat on your Facebook Messenger, then you have to scroll a lot to get to the first message. So in this video, I'll show you a easy step to get to the first message without scrolling. First of all, go to the Play Store, search for Tap Scroll application, install this application, open the application, and you just have to allow some of the permissions and then tap on in order to use this application. Go to the Facebook Messenger, go to the chat whose first message you want to see and tap on the top of the screen. Tap it for a few times. Keep tapping. After that, here as you can see, we have reached to the first message of this chat without scrolling. Thanks for watching. If you guys enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe and hit the bell for the updates. That's all for now and I'll catch you in the next one.